Good afternoon to all. In the last class we discussed about a standardized death rate or STDR. For comparing the mortality of two or more populations we use a standardized death rate. What is STDR? STDR is the weighted average of age specific death rates by taking standard population as a weights. Then we saw the merits also. For comparing the mortality of two or more populations we use a STDR. One more thing, it considers the age composition of the population. Next, one type problem or first type problem we saw. So first type usually asked as 10 marks. Actually important problem. In that question, two populations given. First population, second population. Then one more thing, standard population is separately given. So how to find the STDR? So we saw in the last class. So first we have to compute the age specific death rate of the first population. Similarly, we have to compute the age specific death rate of the second population. Age specific death rate of first population is denoted by, suppose it is A, second population is B, then standard population is P, then one column for P into A, one column for P into B, next sigma PA by sigma P, sigma PB by sigma P. So which one is less, which STDR is less, that is considered as a more healthier population. So that was the first type of problem, that one very important. Next, second type problem. So today we are discussing about a second type. In the second type problem, what the thing is, two populations given, and among these two populations one we are taking as standard population. Standard population is given, separate standard population is not given here. Here two populations are there, among these two we are taking one as a standard population. It is given in the question itself. Take this question, from the following data compute STDRs for locality A and locality B, taking locality A as a standard population, and even if they didn't ask we have to write the comment also, which population is more healthier. So age is given, age composition, then locality A is given, locality A population deaths, then locality B population deaths. They have given that taking locality A as standard population. Here we have to take a locality A as a standard population. In such questions how to find STDR? See, since A itself is the standard population, locality A's STDR is same as CDR. This is the shortcut method, and which population is given as a standard population, its STDR is similar to CDR. No need to compute STDR by taking ASDRs and all. So locality A, first we will do locality A as a standard population, it is given. So for locality A, STDR of A is same as CDR of A. So since A itself is the standard population, A itself is the standard population, STDR of A is same as CDR of A. So remember, in such problem, this is the second type problem. So here locality A itself is the standard population. So STDR of A is same as CDR of A. So no need to compute age specific death rate and all. So CDR, what is the formula of CDR? CDR equal to number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year, average population in the year into 1000. So what and all we have to compute? Number of deaths. Number of deaths means deaths total, divided by average population means population total into 1000. So again I will do here. So locality A here population, before that age group is there, age, then population, deaths. No need to compute age specific death rate, just age group and population. Age is less than 5 to 14, 15 to 64, greater than or equal to 65. 5,000, 12,000, 15,000, 4,000. Deaths also given, deaths 140, 50, 80, 150, this total. So population total and deaths total for finding CDR. So this total is this much, and population total is 36,000. So here however it is given, I will write here only. So number of deaths occurring in the year, that is 420, divided by average population is 36,000 into 1000. Answer is 11.67. This is STDR of A. So here no need to compute age specific death rate, since A itself is the standard population. So STDR of A is same as CDR of A. Write the formula of CDR, just compute deaths total, then average population total into 1000. Answer is 11.67. For the second one, see, we have to compute STDR of locality B. How to compute? The procedure is same as in the first type. For computing locality B's STDR, first we have to compute age specific death rate of locality B. Then P means standard population. Standard population is this one. Locality A's population is standard population. Then P into B. Here since it is locality B, P into B, that much column. So locality B, for finding this one locality B's ASDR we have to compute. So here age, then population, then deaths, then B equal to, I am denoting it as a B. B equal to ASDR of B. Next standard population P, standard population P, last one P into B. See, this procedure is similar to the first one, because standard population is a population, B is a separate. So its ASDR we have to compute. So population is 4,000. Age same, less than 5, 5 to 14, 15 to 64, greater than or equal to 65. Locality B population is 4,000, 11,000, 14,000, then 3,000. Then deaths is 145, 60, then 90, next 110. Here age specific death rate we have to compute. So how to find age specific death rate means number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population into 1000. Average population in that age group, 145 divided by 4000 into 1000, 60 divided by 11,000 into 1000, 90 divided by 14,000 into 1000, 110 divided by 3000 into 1000. Like that we have to, first only I am writing 145 divided by 4000 into 1000. Answer is 36.25. Next 5.4545. Similarly 6.4285. Next 36.67. See, this is 110 divided by 3000 into 1000. That is a age specific death rate. Next, standard population. Remember, standard population is not separately given. To locality A's population we are taking as a standard population. So standard population, write locality A population, that is 5,000, 12,000, next 15,000, 4,000. Next P into B. One column for P into B, this column into ASDR column into standard population. 36.25 into 5,000, 5.4545 into 12,000, 6.4285 into 15,000. Similarly, 36.67 into 4,000. Answer is 181250. Similarly, 65454. Similarly, 964275. Last 146680. That is P into B. Next, what is the formula? STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P. Sigma PB divided by sigma P. Sigma PB means P into B column total. Sigma P is standard population total. Sigma PB total is 1357659 and this total is 36,000. See, remember one thing, we computed ASDR here, we have to write the formula of age specific death rate. ASDR, what is the formula? ASDR equal to number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population in that specified age group into 1000. So, number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population in the specified age group into 1000. This is ASDR formula. Next, find STDR of B. So STDR of B equal to summation PB divided by sigma P. Sigma PB divided by sigma P. Into 1000 is not there. Remember, sigma PB total is this one, 1357659 divided by 36,000. Answer is here 37.712. So first STDR of A is same as CDR of A. Its answer is 11.67 and second STDR of B is 37.712. So which one is less? Less is first one. Locality A death rate is less or STDR is less. So this population is more healthier or this locality is more healthier. I will write the conclusion here. Conclusion is since STDR of A, which one is less? That one you write first. Less than STDR of B. Therefore, locality A is more healthier. Locality A is more healthier. So once again I will repeat. See, this is the second type problem of STDR. Here separate standard population is not given. One population, two populations are there. Among these two population, one we are taking as a standard population. It is given in the question itself. See, taking locality A as a standard population. So for which one is a standard population? Its STDR is same as CDR. See, suppose in the same question it is given that taking B as standard population means no need to compute STDR of or ASDR for locality B. Locality B's STDR is same as CDR. Here it is given that locality A as a standard population. So the procedure is since A itself is the standard population, STDR of A is same as CDR of A. CDR formula is number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year into 1000. So number of deaths means total deaths, that is this one. Now average population means population A is total, that is 36,000 into 1000. Answer is 11.67. Then look for computing STDR of B. ASDRs of B we have to compute. So that is this is same as the previous problem. Separate standard population is given, how to do. So locality B is age, this one, population is given, deaths given, this is same as here what we wrote, same here. Then B means age specific death rate of population B, that is the number of deaths in that age group divided by average population in that age group into 1000. 145 divided by 4000 into 1000. 60 divided by 11,000 into 1000. 90 divided by 14,000 into 1000. 110 by 3000 into 1000, like that. So the answers are this one. Next, standard population. Standard population is a locality A population. Locality A population I wrote like this, that is actually standard population. So standard population is denoted by capital P. Next, last column for P into B. P into B means this column into this column. The answers are this one. Next, find the total. STDR of B is sigma PB divided by sigma P. Answer is 37.712. Into 1000 is not there, remember. Next, since we computed ASDRs, we have to write the formula of ASDR. Then just compute, just write STDR of B we found. Next, write the conclusion. Which death rate is less, that we are considering as more healthier population. So hope you understood. We will do one more problem. Next, see, we will do one more problem. From the following data, compute STDRs for locality A and B by taking locality B as a standard population. Suppose how to do. See, age is given, then city A or locality A itself we will write locality A, then population deaths, then locality B, population deaths, population deaths. So here which one is a standard population? B is a standard population. Sometimes it may be given here only, locality B in the bracket standard population. So the age group is 0 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 70, greater than or equal to 70. Here 5,000. Next 14,000, 20,000, next 1,000. Here 100, 392, 300, next 200. Here 7,000, 15,000, 25,000, 3,000. 105, 465, 500, 390. See here, the difference here is it is given that locality B we have to take as a standard population. So the solution is the same here, only the difference locality B as a standard population. Since locality B itself is the standard population, STDR of B is same as CDR of B. STDR of A we have to compute. For that we have to compute age specific death rate of the first population. Locality A's age specific death rate we have to compute. Locality B's age specific death rate no need to compute because STDR of B is same as CDR of B. So CDR of B means total number of deaths divided by total population into 1000. So this is the standard population. Locality B's population is a standard population. So first we will do locality A. For finding STDR of A, we have to compute age specific death rate of a first population A. So first we will do for a locality A. Locality A is a first age group. Next population. Next deaths. See here we have to compute age specific death rate. Age specific death rate of A is let it be denoted by A. A equal to ASDR. Next standard population. Standard population is P. Next P into A. One column for P into A. Because here locality B is taken as standard population. So locality B is STDR is same as CDR. So age 0 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 70, greater than or equal to 70. Population is city A population, that is town A population, 5,000, 14,000, then 20,000, 1,000. Then deaths also 100, 392, 300, 200. Here ASDR, we have to compute age specific death rate. So number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population in that age group into 1000. 100 divided by 5000 into 1000. 392 divided by 14,000 into 1000. 300 divided by 20,000 into 1000. 200 divided by 1000 into 1000, like that. So 100 divided by, first one only I am writing, 100 divided by 5000 into 1000. Answer is 20. Second one, 392 divided by 14,000 into 1000. 300 divided by 20,000 into 1000. 200 divided by 1000 into 1000. Answers I will write 20, next 28, 15, 200. Next, standard population. Standard population, which one is standard population? Remember, locality B we have to take as standard population. So this is the standard population. 7,000, 15,000, 25,000, 3,000. That is a capital P. So 7,000, 15,000, next 25,000, sorry, 20, this is 7,000, 428, 15,000, 15,000, next 25,000, next 3,000. This is the standard population. Which one is localities? B is population. Then P into A. 7,000 into 20, 15,000 into 28, 25,000 into 15, 3,000 into 200. Write the answers only. 7,000 into 20. Next one, 15,000 into 28, 42, then 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. Next 25,000 into 15, 3,000 into 200. Total is STDR of B, STDR of A, we know the formula. STDR of A is sigma PA divided by sigma P. P into A total is P into A total is okay, we computed age specific death rate. Here we have to compute age specific death rate. That is 100 divided by 5,000 into 1,000, 392 divided by 14,000 into 1,000, 300 divided by this one into 1,000, 200 by this one into 1,000, like that. Next, standard population. Standard population is B's population. This one 7,000, 15,000, 25,000, 3,000. I wrote the same here. Next, P into A. 7,000 into 20, 15,000 into 28, 25,000 into 15, 3,000 into 200. Answer is this one. We have to compute P into A's total. P into A total we have to compute. I'll write here. P into A total is sigma PA total is 1535000. Sigma P also we have to compute. Sigma P means total, standard population's total. That is 50,000. 50,000. So STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P. That is 1535000 divided by sigma P is 50,000. Into 1,000 is not here. Remember, for CDR, ASDR, everything into 1,000 is here. For STDR, the formula is sigma PA divided by sigma P. Sigma PA is this one. Sigma P is this one. Answer is 30.7. 30.7. Next, we have to compute which one? We have to compute this total. Locality B's population we took as a standard population. So standard population is a locality B's population. Since locality B itself is the standard population, STDR of B is same as CDR of B. No need to compute which one? STDR again, age specific death rate and all, no need to compute. Just compute this total. Total deaths divided by total population into 1,000. Total deaths, this total we have to find 105, 465, 500, 390. This total we have to compute. Similarly, locality B's total also we have to compute. This total divided by this total into 1,000. So locality B population is taken as a standard population. Since B itself is a standard population, taken as standard population, STDR of B is same as CDR of B. STDR of B is same as CDR of B. So CDR of B, what is the formula? Number of deaths in the year, number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year, average population in the year into 1,000. number of deaths in the year divided by average population in the year into 1000. This total we have to find. Similarly, this total divided by this total into 1000. So this one you have to compute. You will get one answer here, and which one is less? Number of deaths, this total divided by this total into 1000. You will get one answer here. Which population is, which STDR is less? That is more healthier. So which STDR is, which one is less? That standard population is, that population is more healthier. You have to write the conclusion also. Which STDR is less, that population is more healthier. This is the second type of problem. Second, you have to do yourself, do this one, 105, you have to compute this one. Similarly, compute this one also. This total divided by this total into 1000. You will get one answer there. So first is 30.7 and compute this one also. Which one is less? That we are considering as a more healthier population. Next, third type problem. Hope you understood. Here nothing. Here second type problem, one population is given as a standard population. Which one is taken as a standard population? No need to compute STDR or age specific death rate for that population. Suppose locality A itself is the standard population, means locality A's STDR is same as CDR. Suppose locality B is taken as a standard population, means locality B's STDR is same as CDR. So that is the case. The other we have to compute. Suppose locality A itself is the standard population, means its STDR is same as CDR, but for locality B we have to compute age specific death rate. It is denoted by capital B. Next, one column for standard population, that is P. Next, P into B, one column, sigma PB divided by sigma P. So which one is less? That is more healthier population. Next, third type of problem. In the third type of problem, only the thing, it is usually asked for a 5 marks question. Easiest one, third type of problems. Then third type of problems. See, third type of problem, compute STDRs. Compute STDRs. Here no need to compute age specific death rate again. Age specific death rate is directly given. So here suppose this is the question, age is given, then deaths per 1000. See here given deaths per 1000. Deaths per 1000, town A, then town B. Town A, town B. Here standard population is given separately, standard population. So age less than 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 70, greater than or equal to 70. So 18, 6, 8, 10, 80. Here 12, 4, 8, 9, 90. Then standard population 15,000, 18,000, 22,000, 12,000, then 8,000. See, one thing you have to remember here, in the third type problem, this is usually asked for 5 marks question. Compute STDRs and comment. So age, then deaths per 1000. Deaths per 1000 in a particular age group means this itself is a age specific death rate. Here sometimes death rates anta kottirbodu or deaths per 1000. Death rates or deaths per 1000 means that is age specific death rate itself. No need to compute age specific death rate again. So this is a town A's age specific death rate. This is town B's ASDRs. This is separate standard population. Just compute P into A one column, P into B another column. Then sigma PA divided by sigma STDRs both. So solution first one age you write as it is in the question. Death rates, here death rates means ASDRs itself, age specific death rates. Let A denote the age specific death rate of the first population, capital B denote the age specific death rate of the second population. So age, then town A's death rate, let it be capital A, then town B's death rate, that is capital B. Next standard population separately given, standard population P. Next one column for P into A, one column for P into B. Age as it is you write less than 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 70, greater than or equal to 70. Here death rates, death rate means age specific death rate itself, 18, 6, 8, 10, 80. This is 12, 4, 8, 9, 90. This is a standard population separately given here, 15,000, 18,000, 22,000, 12,000, 8,000. P into A, one column for P into A, this one P is this one. Next 18, 15,000 into 18, 18,000 into 6, 22,000 into 8, 10 into 12,000, 80 into 8,000. So P into A, this one 7,0,0,0. Then 6 into 18,000. Next 176,000. Next 1 2 last 64. P into B, another column P into B. P is this one, B means this one, 15,000 into 12, 18,000 into 4, 22,000 into 8, next 12,000 into 9, 8,000 into 90. Answers are next one STDR of A, STDR of B. STDR of A is formula is sigma PA divided by sigma P. STDR of B is sigma PB divided by sigma P. Sigma PA divided by sigma P, 1314,000 divided by 25,000. And STDR of B is sigma PB divided by sigma P, 125,600 divided by 75,000. First one answer is sigma PA total is this much, not 1 3 4, this is 1 sigma PA by sigma P, sorry 75,000, not this one 147,000 0 divided by sigma P is 1 lakh, and this is 14.7. Second one is sigma PB means sigma PB is this one, sigma PB total is sorry again wrong this one, 147, not this one, deaths per thousand, this is this total itself. Sigma PA means this one 20, this one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, this total. P means standard population total. First one is this one itself, 1314,000 divided by sigma P is 75,000. Answer is 17.52. For the second one, sigma PB is 1256000 divided by sigma P is 75,000. Answer is 16.74. Which one is less here? Lesser one is second one, STDR of B. Since STDR of B less than STDR of A, town B or locality B is more healthier. Since conclusion is since STDR of B less than STDR of A, town A or town B, which one is less, that is more healthier. More healthier. So this is the case. So we will do one more problem in the next class.